New topic. Chapter 7, Professional Conduct and Scope of Practice. How to communicate with stakeholders, i.e., family, caregivers, other professionals as authorized. Communicating with family and/or caregivers. The RBT role in communicating with family and/or caregivers is a support role. The supervisor will train and consult with the family and/or caregivers. The RBT will identify and support information regarding the treatment plan and behavior intervention plan to the family and/or caregiver during their ABA sessions as needed. The RBT will maintain a clear and consistent line of communication with the supervisor at all times, throughout the time they work within a behavior analysis program with the client through to discharge directly and indirectly. The RBT role and the supervisor role in communicating with other professionals are different. Consultation with other professionals helps ensure client progress through efforts to coordinate care and ensure consistency. Treatment goals are most likely to be achieved when there is a shared understanding and coordination among all healthcare providers and professionals. An example involves a consistent approach across professionals from different disciplines and how behaviors are managed across environments and settings. Professional collaboration that leads to consistency will produce the best outcomes for the client and their families. The RBT role in communicating with professionals is a support role as well. The supervisor will always be the primary contact with the other professionals. If, during ABA sessions, when the RBT is there and other professionals are there for observation purposes or to communicate with the parents and/or caregivers, and the other professionals ask RBT questions regarding the treatment plan and behavior intervention plan, the RBT will identify the areas of questions and support the other professionals by referring them to the supervisor of the client. Also, the RBT will communicate with the supervisor after the session to follow up with the same information. The RBT's responsibility is to all parties affected by behavior analytics services. When multiple parties are involved and could be defined as a client, a hierarchy of parties must be established and communicated from the outset of the defined relationship. RBTs identify and communicate who the primary ultimate beneficiary of services is in any given situation and advocates for his or her best interests.